Welcome to our microlearning channel. Industrial engineering is a field that combines science and mathematics to improve complex systems. It dates back to the Industrial Revolution and is rooted in Adam Smith's ideas on efficiency and productivity. Industrial engineers use optimization, probability, and statistics to design and improve systems. They work in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and energy. Their goal is to eliminate waste, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Industrial engineers design supply chains, production processes, and inventory management systems. They use computer-aided design software, simulation modeling, and data analytics to get the job done. Industrial engineering is a dynamic field that constantly evolves with new technologies and innovations. It requires strong problem-solving skills, creativity, and attention to detail. Industrial engineers make a significant impact on society by improving the efficiency and effectiveness of systems. They are in high demand globally, and their work has a direct impact on the bottom line of businesses. By applying industrial engineering principles, businesses can reduce waste, increase productivity, and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for viewing this micro-learning video.